Today we the students of NSUI have gathered here in large numbers. Our demand is that education is subject to government, it's not a private subject. The NTA, after its establishment since 2016, they are conducting the exam. Before the NTA, government used to conduct the exam. After NDA has taken over, there is a lot of corruption in the system. The question papers are being sold for 50-60 lakhs. So where will the poor go? How will they study? And each and every time exams have been postponed. And before the state government used to take care of this system. After this NEET exam, after NTA has taken over, each and everywhere the papers have been circulated through Telegram and WhatsApp. So what about the students' future who are struggling, who are striving to become doctors? The suicide rates are going high. Parents are losing their children. Our demand is just that there should be transparency in the system. Students should get justice. And also they have announced re-NEET in June. So we don't want any corruption there. We want transparency and there should be a fair way of conducting exam. Thank you.
Coming days our protest continue, no?
Huh?
Coming days our protest continue.
Yeah, sure. If there is no, if it repeats, we will continue. If it repeats the same, if it goes the same, we will continue the protest.